Today at Mullin Machinery, we have a Leblond Makino 19 by 54 gearhead engine lathe. It's inch metric. It's original chart, all in great shape. Spindle speeds from 40 to 1600 RPM. The spindle hole is just over 3 inch. It's about 3 1/8 inch. Someone notched out the back of the splash guard, not quite sure why, but you can just put a sheet in there. It's currently wired at 230 volt, 3-phase. This is all original paint on the machine. The ways are in pretty good shape. Allura CA tool post. Bunch of Allura's holders. Have a book. Steady rest. Heavy duty live center in great shape. Follow rest. Dead center. Spindle wrench. 12 1/2 inch 4-jaw Bison chuck. Coolant pump. This is a like new Bison 12 1/2 inch 3-jaw reversing top jaws. It's in low speed, 40 RPM. Shifting. That's 581 RPM. It's your carriage feed toward the headstock. Is your cross feed. Cross feed in. Carriage feed toward the tailstock. Gauge show you the half nuts. Is your threading feed. The half nuts. I'll go up to 800. I don't want to go to high speed with the chuck. Or without something in the chuck. $820 RPM. There you have it, folks. Check this machine out and more at mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com. And don't forget to get out there and vote. Keep America great and keep America working.